Hi everyone, and welcome back to the latest unboxing with the Soul Women's, and today we are taking a closer look at these Converse Run Star Hike lows. We've got three colourways here. So we've got the black, we have the moss green, and we also have the white. Now, I'm sure you all know the silhouette from the high top version that launched months ago, but now we're seeing a low top version and we know that they're just going to be pretty much just as popular. I mean, they already sold out once on Converse, but now they've had a restock. My personal favourite is probably this green colourway, just because it's a little bit more different to the others. They're all coming with the same kind of classic Converse look, those silver eyelets down the lace unit, rubber toe cap just here with the black line around the top, opting for a chunkier midsole than the usual Converse, and of course with this jagged outsole in tan and black with the all-star at the back that Converse is so famously known for. So as mentioned, there is a black and white colourway, there is a triple white colourway, and of course there's the green one that you've just seen. So to round up, this has been the Converse Run Start Hike Low, and we want to know what your favourite colourway is, and we also want to know if you prefer the highs or the lows, so please let us know in the comments. You can pick these up at Converse right now for £85. See you next time.